Let's use shirataki noodles to make a delicious, high-protein, low-carb recipe. Welcome to Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss an episode. We'll get into all the specifics about how to prepare the shirataki noodles in a moment. But first, let's start by making a miso ginger sauce that perfectly balances the noodles. In a high-powered blender or food processor, add 4 tablespoons of coconut aminos, 1 heaping teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of miso paste. I'm using Hawaiian style that gives it a subtle island kick and is absolutely delicious. Sometimes the miso paste is stubborn, so you might have to use your fingers to get it into the blender. Add 3 cloves of garlic, a 1.5-inch section of ginger, 1/8 of a red onion, and roughly 1 tablespoon of honey. Now blend it all together. I'm using the Blendtec High Powered Blender. I recently did a 10-year review of my Blendtec, which I will leave a link to in the description below in case you want to check it out. This recipe makes about 8 ounces of miso ginger sauce, which is enough for 3 servings. Now it's time to prepare the shirataki noodles. These noodles can be difficult to find in your standard grocery store, but are easily found online. I've left a link to these noodles in the description for your convenience. This is a variety pack that includes angel hair, fettuccine, and spaghetti. We will be making spaghetti shirataki noodles today. You will note that each serving has only 12 calories and less than 3 grams of carbs. Pretty impressive. Shirataki noodles are made up of 97% water and 3% konjac flour, which is why they are so low in carbs and calories. The first step is to drain and rinse the noodles. We do this for 2 reasons. The noodles are packed in a combination of water and citric acid to help them maintain their shape and freshness. This combination can create a slimy coating and a slightly fishy smell. Draining and rinsing helps us to eliminate the odor and improve the texture. We will rinse for about 2 minutes until the odor dissipates and the coating is removed. Then we will dry roast the noodles. Put them in a small nonstick pan without any oil. Pan frying the noodles in a dry skillet for about 5 minutes helps to evaporate the excess moisture and give them a better texture. Once prepped, you can add a protein like cooked shrimp. Stir the shrimp into the noodles. Let that simmer for a few minutes, then add in your miso ginger sauce. Stir until combined. Cover and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Then your low-carb, high-protein shirataki noodles are ready. At this point, add some sea salt and ground pepper. It looks really good, but how does it taste? It is so delicious, it's very filling, and it's under 200 calories. This dish makes an excellent meal, especially for anyone looking to accomplish some weight loss. Now let's discuss just the noodles for a moment. They have a slightly chewy texture and are relatively tasteless, which is why you need a good sauce and protein to pair with them. Sometimes the noodles can still have a slightly bitter taste, which is why pairing it with a honey-based sauce is perfect. Feel free to adjust your honey to taste at the end. The full low-carb, high-protein shirataki noodle recipe is available in the description, as are all the products I'm using today. For more recipes, kitchen product reviews, and my fun food and travel series, subscribe to my channel, Simple Fantastic Kitchen. I'll see you on the next one.